lot of students, when they get to college, maybe aren't familiar with studying communication. What's cool about becoming a communication major at Saint Vincent College is that you can really work in any industry that's of interest to you. Every company, every industry has a communication function, whether that's social media, web content, writing, media relations, videography. So the opportunities are broad in the marketplace.
There's a huge range of things you can do with a communication major. It's really up to you what kind of communicating you want to do.
What our major does is it prepares students to understand not only media, but human communication.
We have a lot of success in placing people doing social media, working for broadcast journalism, KDKA, WPXI, WJAC, also professional sports.
We have a lot of contacts in the Pittsburgh area, in our region, even into Washington, D.C. and Maryland. So students have a lot of opportunities to dig in and get some significant experience before they ever reach graduation.
I think Saint Vincent is pretty much one of a kind when it comes to the comm department. The school I was from, I was an astrophysics major, and I had no connections with my professors. So when I came to Saint Vincent, I noticed not just like one professor, but all the professors were really invested in me. That made me want to work harder because I wanted to, if they're giving me effort, I'll give them effort back.
I can honestly say that my experience at Saint Vincent in the 22 years that I've been alive has been the best 4 years of my life. I've met so many amazing people that inspire me to just be a better human being, not even just in my career or in my aspirations professionally, but just in life in general.
In the classroom, I've learned so much. I came in as a communication major, and I have stayed a communication major all throughout my time here. St. Vincent was where I discovered what I want to do after I graduate college, and I couldn't have had better help or advice from the professors here.
If you are a student interested in coming to St. Vincent and majoring in communication, you really should expect to be treated as an individual.
I really appreciate the fact that there are smaller classes, that you get to interact more and get to know your students more. You find a lot of support here, whether it's through colleagues, or it's through students, or it's through alumni.
We are really a true liberal arts college, and that we don't look at it as a number or a conveyor belt that we're producing the same kind of person. That you really have to bring to us what your interests are, and we will meet you halfway and help you get to wherever it is you want to go.